Improper handling of misconduct and domestic inquiry can result in industrial court ruling in favor of the employee and lead to costly monetary compensation by the employer. Top 4 challenges faced when it comes to managing misconduct. First, risk of unfair dismissal claims if dismissal procedures are not followed correctly. Second, costly payouts if domestic inquiry process is flawed and employee wins case at industrial court. Third, stress and time drain on managers from drawn-out disciplinary cases. Fourth, company culture suffers if misconduct is not addressed promptly and properly. Here's our solution for you. Learn how to avoid pitfalls through real-life case studies and discussions. Experience a mock domestic inquiry on major and minor misconduct. Understand domestic inquiry process from pre to post domestic inquiry. Handle all types of misconduct from grievances to sexual harassment. Join us. This 2-day practical and hands-on course enables participants to understand the importance of holding a proper domestic inquiry (DI), as well as adhering to strict procedural requirements in order to withstand the scrutiny of the industrial court in the dismissal of an employee. The course teaches step-by-step process from preliminary investigation to post-domestic inquiry. It is an in-depth understanding of the legal aspects, the procedural aspects and pitfalls of a domestic inquiry process. During this training program, a mock domestic inquiry will be conducted to give participants an opportunity to hone their practical skills so that they will have more confidence when conducting domestic inquiries at their workplace. Sign up with us if you are MAD enough. MAD stands for Making a Difference. If your organization wants to manage misconduct issues in compliance with the law, contact us to know more.